Happy Lucky Craft channel. Halloween version. Let's make Halloween cat. Prepare square piece of paper. The size is up to you. Start with your paper white side up. Fold in half to make a triangle. Unfold the paper. Fold red edges to the center line. Rotate the model. Fold up bottom flap. Open the folded origami completely. Fold again along crease lines. Fold red edges to the center line. Open the bottom flaps and turn the model over. Fold red edge along the crease. Open the bottom flaps and turn the model over. Open right flap. Fold along this crease line. Fold along this crease line. Repeat on the other side. Open left flap. Fold along this crease line. Fold along this crease line. Fold down top flap. Fold up bottom flap. Turn the model over. You can stick on plastic googly eyes, or you can draw eyes with a magic marker. Model complete. Enjoy using various colors. Let's make Halloween bat. Prepare square piece of paper. The size is up to you. Start with your paper color side up. Fold up in half. Unfold the paper. Fold in half again. Unfold the paper. Turn the model over. Fold in half to make a triangle. Unfold the paper. Fold in half to make a triangle again. Unfold the paper. Rotate the model. Fold along crease lines. Fold blue edges of top layer to the center line. Turn the model over. Repeat on the other side. Fold blue edges of top layer to the center line. Open both right flaps. Mark at the 1/3 point. Mark at the 1/2 point. Connect point to point with a line. Cut both flaps along the line. Open left flap. Open back side flap. Fold along this crease line. Fold this blue edge to the green edge. Fold this blue edge to the green edge. Fold along this crease line. Fold this blue edge to the green edge. Fold this blue edge to the green edge. Fold down the top flap along this line. Crease well. Turn the model over. Fold bottom flaps to make feet. Turn the model over. Adjust the model for good shape. You can stick on plastic googly eyes, or you can draw eyes with a magic marker. Model complete. You can make it using various colors. Enjoy your origami.